Hi guys, welcome back. You join me on my way over to the farm again. I was out the other night, managed to bag one, had a shot at another. Not sure if I got it or not. For those of you who haven't seen my video from that one, the torch went out, the IR illuminator went out. Don't know if I got it or not, couldn't find it, so I'm taking it as that I didn't get it. But yeah, got one though, so that was good. Clint's on his way over to the farm now. I'm going to join him in about the next sort of 15 minutes ish, something like that. So we're hoping for a good evening. It's been absolutely lovely today, and then within the last half hour it's been chucking it down. British weather for you, but it stopped at the moment, so we're hoping it's just a passing shower. We're going to concentrate on a different approach tonight. We're going to have a quick walk round the fields, but then we're going to concentrate on one field in particular, because when I was out the other night I did see a fox in the field down by the barns where he's got lambs. So the plan of attack is to put out a load of bait. I've brought some cat food with us, and just sit in the field and wait. And Clint's going to put his cooler out, and we're just going to see how it goes. So that's the plan of attack. Whether it works or not, who knows, but fingers crossed. So join us in a bit once we're all set up. Let's see how we get on.